Hey friends, welcome back to AI Border. Today I'm diving into something that's been buzzing in the AI world. Dreamina, ByteDance's own creation. Yep, the same folks behind TikTok and CapCut. And here's the kicker, Dreamina isn't just another video tool. It's already being called the AI poster king because it lets anyone, even complete beginners, create professional posters and cinematic videos with just a few clicks. But before I get into the posters and videos, let me hit you with the biggest selling points up front. Dreamina is fast. You don't need to wait forever for results. Dreamina is free, anyone can sign up and start creating instantly, and you get daily credit rewards right now. So even if you're just testing it out, you've got enough credits to play around, make content, and see what sticks. And it's powered by the Dream 3.0 model, which is currently topping the charts in both text-to-video and image-to-video generation. Before we get into video, let's start with what makes Dreamina really special: poster design. Think about it. You upload a plain product photo, maybe just a coffee mug on a white table. In Canva, you'd spend an hour adding fonts, backgrounds, effects. But in Dreamina, you just type warm cafe vibe, cozy lighting, blurred background, stylish text, morning energy at the top. Seconds later, the same coffee mug is sitting inside a full professional poster that looks like it belongs on a billboard. Clean design, polished text, natural lighting, all automatic, and again, fast plus free. Another feature I love, smart reference. Upload a photo and Dreamina will upgrade everything around it while keeping the subject intact. For example, upload a plain notebook on a desk and type creative workspace poster, soft lighting, inspirational vibe, text, start creating today at the bottom. It keeps the exact same notebook but turns the scene into a stylish poster. It's like having Photoshop level editing without touching Photoshop. Here's why Dreamina leaves others behind. That's why people call it the AI poster king. But poster is just the beginning. Dreamina also has one of the most advanced video models out there. Here's why it's a game changer. It supports multi-shot video generation, one prompt, multiple camera angles. It's fast, you don't wait an hour to get your results. Example 1. Sunny afternoon, little boy flying a kite in the park. First shot, close-up of him smiling. Second shot, wide view with the kite soaring high. The output, first a clean close-up with bright colors. Then a wide shot, same kid, same outfit, same park. Natural and smooth. Example 2. Rainy street at night, glowing neon reflections on the ground. Camera slowly pans to a person holding an umbrella. The details are spot on, the rain stays consistent, the reflections look real, and that smooth camera pan feels like a movie scene. Example 3. Golden retriever running through a sprinkler in slow motion. Water spraying everywhere. Dreamina nails the fur texture, the water droplets, and the slow motion timing. Honestly, most tools break when you add water, this one doesn't. Example 4. Basketball player jumps and dunks in an outdoor court at sunset. Camera switches to a low angle shot as the ball hits the hoop. The motion has weight, the landing looks real, and it feels like an actual sports clip you'd see online. Canva is great for static designs, but Dreamina does both posters and videos. GPT-4.0 can write prompts and give you ideas, but it can't generate the actual video. Dreamina takes you from idea to prompt, and from prompt to finished visual. And compared to most paid models, Dreamina is faster, smoother, and honestly more fun to use. So yeah, whether you're designing posters for a brand, creating short videos for social media, or just exploring your creativity, Dreamina is your AI poster king. I'll leave the link in the description so you can try it yourself. Make something cool, drop it in the comments, and who knows, I might feature your creation in the next video. This is AI Border, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.